12:23 here on this noon hour, and clouds are stuck here again all day. More clouds and some rain left over today. I don't think there's much. Maybe some sprinkles or light rain, and 1/10 of an inch or so the rest of this afternoon, if even that. But wet weather kind of really comes back for the weekend. Some of the models hinting at a surge of moisture could pump up the rainfall amounts, especially later Saturday night, Sunday, spilling into Monday. So there may be some heavy rain possible kind of centered around Sunday or Monday, not only here, but across parts of South Texas, and even the hill country could be very wet this weekend and parts of early next week. So you want to watch out for some water on the roadways, maybe some flooding in spots if you are traveling anywhere across the southern parts of Texas and the valley this weekend. It's cool right now. Still 58 in Weslaco, 59 in Harlingen, 63 in McAllen. Not going to warm up a lot more today, maybe 3 or 4 degrees or so, as there will be just plenty of clouds around and that cool northwesterly wind still out there. And really, most of the models show that this kind of northwesterly wind will be around most of the next 6 or 7 days. So it's not going to be a big warm up anytime soon. Some of the models do hint at a little bit of warmer weather trying to come back, especially in the lower parts of the valley tomorrow, maybe part of Saturday. Could be back maybe into the low 70s or so, but not a huge warm up over most of the valley for any prolonged period of time for a while. 14 miles per hour though the wind in Weslaco, 20 the sustained wind in Brownsville, and some higher gusts are still up around 25 to almost 30 miles per hour. Most of the, I guess you could call it moderate rain, is mostly falling apart as it tries to get on shore. I think we're looking at just some drizzle or sprinkles in spots today and very little additional rainfall. But a little light rain is trying to cross into eastern Willacy County. There's probably some drizzle and some sprinkles here in northeastern Cameron County from about Arroyo City toward Port Mansfield. But overall, you can say the chance for rain the rest of today and tonight at 70%. But that's a light 70%, low rainfall amounts. It could start to get a little heavier later in the weekend. 50% chance for showers tomorrow, 80% on Saturday going into Saturday night. Some of the models hint that Saturday may not be as wet as this, but some of them saying the moisture may start to surge in later Saturday evening. So kind of watch, to clarify this forecast as we get closer. I think sometime later Saturday into Sunday, the rain could really pick up. You don't see a lot on there right now. First 1.5 Doppler network, what little sprinkles or light rain there is kind of falling apart as it moves into the valley. The bigger rain as you saw offshore. Future track keeps it cool and cloudy today. Some sprinkles or a light rain shower possible this afternoon, but you see most areas looking pretty quiet. And then overnight, some sprinkles or showers around. And then tomorrow starts off mainly dry with maybe a spotty shower or two, but showers could be scattered around in the afternoon hours. So watch out. Afternoon, evening, there may be a little rain for your evening plans for football games and stuff. Saturday could be a day when we have showers off and on throughout the day. And again, this model keeps it a little wetter on Saturday afternoon. Some of the models, like I think the NAM computer model, keeps the rain kind of staying back until Saturday night and Sunday or later. So you kind of want to watch. At some point, it could start to get pretty wet over the weekend. And those rainfall amounts, as you see with the rain that's just hanging around on Sunday, could start to add up. And Future Track does show, again, not much rain the rest of today and tonight, only a few hundredths of an inch or so. But Friday, we start to add in some rain, maybe some places getting more than an inch, and then you add in Saturday's rainfall, and now we're talking about some areas total the next few days getting maybe 2 or 3 inches, especially in Cameron or Willacy counties would be your best chances for the heavier rain. So your first 1.570 forecast, highs in the 60s today, 70s tomorrow. 80 may be optimistic on Saturday. The models, like I said, a little iffy on Saturday whether it will turn out warmer and drier or get a little more rain to keep it cooler, but it could be a little warmer on Saturday, but temperatures stay mostly in the 70s for highs after that. A good chance for some rain that could be heavy at times later Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. After that, we start to maybe break down the rain chances a bit and may see the sun break through in spots as early as next Wednesday, but you see almost no sun in that forecast. We'll track it in your first 1.5 forecast here coming up.